Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have another unboxing. And it's not a different day, it's the same day. I'm still wearing the same stuff. So yeah, I have 3 different boxes here and one is from Seaweed gel and Makartt and Kupa ink. So I'm going to start off with Kupa and then move my way to the left. So I did pick up 4 of their cuticle nippers. I got them in the cobalt steel 4-inch quarter jaw, and I really like these. They're really sharp and they haven't dulled out. Like the ones that I bought in Ulta, they dulled out like after 6 months in my opinion. So these are really nice, and I bought 4 because they were 30% off. They gave me a free metal file, which they also did before when I had ordered from them, like a bunch of tools, which is nice. And it comes in this cute packaging. Okay, so this is what I was actually looking forward to. I didn't know how big these were gonna come. They do say they're 4x4. So I kind of thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but this is actually the size that they probably should be. And I'm just gonna open them up. They're called 4 Squares Soft Landing like lint-free wipes. And in the website, they're actually called 4 Square towels, and there comes 100. So I do want to take this out, but I also don't want to ruin where it's in. So let me just open this nice and neat. So I think Soft Landings is like a universal kind of place where you can get these types of towels, because I believe Soft Nails, wow, Young Nails has the same one, but the larger ones, the table towel ones, and these feel really nice. I can't compare it to like a Bounty or even to this one. Like it does have that kind of like texture in the back, but you can feel the difference between here and like here. This one's like a little bit smoother, and then this one you can feel like, I wouldn't say like a grit, but you can feel a little bit more of texture, I guess. But yeah, these feel really nice, and I was thinking of using them for wiping down my brushes, like my acrylic brushes or whatever. But I can honestly use this for anything. They're lint-free wipes. You can use them for anything. I could wipe down my gel brushes with these. They feel really nice and sturdy, and I got 4 of them. And so 400, I guess. And yeah, so what it reads is 4 Square, 100% lint free, super absorbent, multi-purpose use, tear resistant, sorry, I always read it as tear resistant, softens when wet, 100 count, taking the lint out of the profession. I don't get it. Anyways, so I thought I would just show you guys what I picked up. It's not much that I got from Kupa, but it's things that I really was looking forward to. And I don't hear many people talk about these, probably because they don't really buy them, but I wanted them and I was looking at them for a while. So then we have Makartt. So I didn't pick up a lot from Makartt. So I did get their ball bit, and this is kind of how it looks. It's super, super fine, which is great for buffing around the nails, like the cuticles. So I thought, why not? So I got 2, and they're just the ball shaped 4mm. And usually, like when you nip your nails, like your cuticles, after pushing them back, when they grow out, if you don't buff around your nail, like you'll get hangnails. So this is to buff after nipping your cuticles. So that's why I got these. So then I got their double-sided 100 and 180 square black nail files set of 10. And I just really like their nail files. I do have gray ones, but they're like the moon-shaped ones. I also picked up their Nail Pump Ups Ballerina XXL full cover nail tips. And I was actually looking forward to these because I don't know, I'm not a super gel tips person, but why not? So they come like this. That was a struggle to open them. It comes with 4 Makartt nail glues, which is cool, a little mini file, and it says your nail lab in a box, 100 and 180 grit. That's really cute, like a for to go file. Then let me see these. Wow, they're like super in there. Oh, no. I was like, oh, they might fit me, but no, they don't look like they will. But I bought these mainly for like my fingers or like my red iguana things. So that's why I'm like, whatever about him. But yeah, they're really long, so that's great. They probably would fit my nail, to be honest, because they do have a curve. So that's really nice. So I will try them, but I know like the thumb isn't gonna be my thing because I have a weird thumb. But anyways, so these full covered tips cost $19.99 regularly, but because I bought them during their Black Friday sale, I got them for $11.99. So I got a great deal. Oh, and I forgot to mention the price of these. So these are regularly like $8 each. Since I bought 4, I got them for $22.40. So moving on, because I didn't really get much from Makartt either, we're gonna move on to the Bio Seaweed gels. Okay, so for Bio Seaweed, they actually gave me one of their pens, which I think is amazing because I love freaking pens. I love hoarding pens. I want to write somewhere. I can't write. Oh, wow. I have a whole book here. Give me a second. Oh, that's awesome. It's black. I love black pens. Okay, cool. Anyways, I'm excited because I also like the color of this. I don't know if it's washing out, but yeah, that's the color. Okay, so I did pick up their buffers. So these buffers they're professional gel buffers and they're regularly like $12 each. But I got these for like $16.80, both of them. And there comes 10 in each thing. And these are supposed to be like, I believe 120, not even. They're supposed to be like a really nice buffer. They don't really have like a really strong grit to them. So they're really for like shine and polishing. So, it actually says right here, 240/280 grit, which is great because I don't have buffers like these. I have the Kiara Sky ones, and the Kiara Sky ones are 80 and 100, which is great for when you want to do gel polish on top. But when I want to do like a matte coat, like how I have on my hands now, I need something to really, really polish my nails so that the matte coat doesn't accentuate all the like divots or scratches that I may have if I use those buffers. So that's why I wanted these types of buffers, because I need them. So then I also picked up obviously some gels because I've never tried from this brand. So I picked up 5 gels. Okay, so I picked up the 3-step color, the healthier gel. I got it in Bordeaux. I don't know. Nights. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's supposed to be a really, really, really dark, 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 dark red. I'm obsessed with getting these types of colors in gel form, but it's super dark, as you can see. I love this car that decides to beep right when I'm filming. Anyways, I also got 289 Sugar Coat. Ooh, that is pretty. Then I picked up 1017, which is Ski Bunny. And I just really like the name of this one. That is such a beautiful, like, pinky gray one. Then I picked up 57 Mousse. Ooh, that is so pretty. And last but not least, 220, which is Ivy. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous green color. Oh, I cannot wait. Oops, I like spilled a bunch. And this is where is it? These lint-free wipes will come in handy. So I can clean up the side because I totally made that fall on the side. And I have it in my cap too. Look. Trying not to make this video long, but here I am. Okay, well, not much I could do about that. So I'm gonna get ready to swatch these and then we can move on. So we're gonna start off with the swatches. And the first one I'm gonna swatch is Sugar Coat. Okay, so these are all the colors. So I just realized Sugar Coat is actually one of their Unity gels, which says it is a no sanding base, no wipe top, color and nail strengtheners, all in one bottle. Cures to the touch with no tacky inhibition layer. So that's great because I was about to add top coat to all of these, but Ski Bunny is a 3-step color gel. So this one is for use with the BSG base and top gel, self-leveling, smooth, and no shrinkage gel color formula. So this one, it does have a tacky layer along with mousse, because it is a 3-step color one. Then the Unity all-in-one, and so Ivy is one that is a no wipe top coat. So it says Unity all-in-one color gel polish, base, color, top, and strengthener all in one bottle. Cures to touch with no sticky residue. Pretty much this one doesn't have a sticky layer as well, so you can add your top coat right to it, or really not if you don't want to. And then this one does have a sticky layer to it, so I do have to add like a top coat or just wipe it down with alcohol. So let me talk about the colors a bit. So Sugar Coat is a really nice pale pink. It is not white. Ooh, it is not white, but it is pink, and it is gorgeous. Comparing it to my Valentino number 007, 007 does have a little bit more pink. It is on the hot pink but white side. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you want, you can definitely check out that video right here. I will link it in the cards. And then Ski Bunny, it is a gorgeous, like, soft pink. It is beautiful. This one kind of reminds me more of 007. 007 might be a little bit more white, but I'm talking about the one from Valentino. But yeah, this is a really cute color. Mousse is a great natural nude color. It does pull a little bit like of mauvey undertones, like purpley, whitish, grayish, muted, if that makes sense. And then Ivy is really cute. I think I have a similar color to this from Valentino. It might pull a little bit more blue, the one from Valentino, I'm not really sure, but this is really, really pretty. And even if I were to mix a little bit of white in it, it even becomes an even better green color. But I really like this one regardless. And okay, so the last one, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's not what I expected. But that's kind of my fault. I thought it was going to be a red, a deep red. But this is a deep purple, like an eggplant shade. It is not red. It is not a deep red. When I can see it clearly, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I can see clearly that it is a deep dark purple, kind of like a witchy purple. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but maybe against like the white. It's a nice color. Do I see myself wearing it? I'm going to be honest, no. I don't like purples like that, so whatever. I mean, it's dark, but to the point where you won't be able to tell that it's purple on you, but I'd rather do a red, you know what I mean? Like, I rather when they see that, like, you know, when you tilt your hand, you can kind of see the color. I'd rather them see red than purple. Just my thing. Personal preference. So I did forget to mention that these gel polishes do retail for $18, but with their discount that they had during Black Friday, it was $12.60. So it was $12.60, and I thought that was a great deal. I know Valentino was doing a sale as well, and it was like $1 less, but I just thought I would try a different brand. Not that Valentino has anything wrong with it. I actually absolutely love Valentino Beauty Pure gels. I just wanted to try something else. So, and this was very recommended from Nails by Dev. Nails by Dev uses these gels, and she uses Valentino. So I was like, let me try them out. Maybe they're just as good. And they actually really are. From just the swatches, I can tell that they're really nice. So this concludes my little Kupa and Bio Seaweed gel and Makartt haul. Like I said, I didn't really order much from Makartt or Kupa, and yeah, so I just thought I would mix all three of them together because why not? So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I really liked everything that I picked up. It wasn't much, but I know these are things I'm going to use, and these gels look really nice. And until next time. Bye!